Right, it's look, this algae is killing the frogs. It's June the 2nd, 2020. I didn't get back to the last month. Maybe some compost. Yeah, it's been busy, the track with my jiggy hammering, and I've started planting along the top there, and I'm just about to electric fence it off to stop the animals going up there and the packy packers going up there to plant rambling things and put a tree fern in down the bottom there. But I thought I'll do a quick whiz. The animal's just been in the garden, that poor mulberry. Yeah. And I was asked to do a herb rundown, which I didn't do. So I'm going to do that right now. Packers. Show what's in the garden. Well, there's pineapple there. It's a yellow dock. There. I didn't plant that. That just is here. Galangal is a herb. This is a Thuja occidentalis. Those are the parasites and liver and things like that. You might not like it here. This is the wild dagger, the lion's tail. Mulberry is actually a herb if it had leaves that the alpacas hadn't eaten. It's quite good for diabetes and things like that. Then we have a mugwort, which I think is the, I'm going through all the species. I think this is the mugwort, Agya, Igea or something. I think it is, but I might have to let one seed to see. That's an Italian parsley. This is raspberry, which I could actually be harvesting the leaves off, couldn't I? Yes, I hadn't thought about that. So there's a raspberry leaf there. These are calendulas, which I will go and pick the heads off and dry them. Calendula seeding, to get the right light. And in here was, doesn't look as if it's alive anymore, there was a gum plant, Grindelia. I don't think it's alive anymore because I'm pretty certain it was there. So that one's off the list. Banana, if we count that as or for Joa or blueberry. There's a dandelion leaf here. And the dandelion seeds. Where are you there? And that's the leaf. This is alfalfa, very sad alfalfa. I saw paddocks and paddocks of it yesterday. And then we come to true medicinal wormwood. That's a fig. I would have that in a herb medicine. Well, herbs and medicines to me all the same. So that's the medicinal. And I used to call this the tree wormwood, but there is actually another variety now. So I do need to clarify. I think it's Canary Island wormwood. But that one's good for chickens. I'd use the other ones for people. This is jamble, Javanese plum, which is good for diabetes. And I've actually, my father took some and it just dramatically reduced his blood sugar levels. Dried plums. So yeah, alpaca ate that, but that's coming back pretty good now. Garlic. There's Grandpop's Italian garlic, and that's a Spanish garlic. And we have 2 different types of mugwort, but I'll come back to that. Olive leaf. Good antiviral. This is the yarrow. That's doing what I wanted it to do, which is starting to spread. It's going to be beautiful. Beautiful yarrow. Rosemary, of course. That sorts the chaff from the wheat. Headaches. Gives you clarity. Alright, focus down there. So these mugworts. That's the vulgaris, which is the medicinal one. And this one here isn't. So this is, I think this is the creeping one, because it's certainly creeping and I have to get it out. So that's going to be another day digging. And I probably need to collect the seeds from that. So yes, 2 types there. Corn, which is now eaten by the alpacas as well by the looks. That's Zea maize, corn silk, oats, that's eaten by the sheep, Avena sativa, so the oat tops. That will come back. That's alfalfa, a bigger patch of it. But it's really hard soil here. So once I get moving, because I'm moving very soon, rocket, Japanese mustard rocket. Anyway, this is this garden. Really the coriander would probably be the other herb in there. See how that's going. Oh, I'm zoomed out. Herbs there. Oh. At the end there, that's burdock. That's an areola cherry, which is a very high vitamin C cherry. There's actually 2 of those. This is a burdock. That is a lemon, which you could classify as a herb. An elderflower. That's the canadensis, not the nigra, because the nigra doesn't grow very well here. I don't think there's marigolds. Alright, let me pause or I go up. Back again. I don't know how long the animals were in here for, but I think they were in here for a while. So this is Passiflora incarnata, which is passion flower, which is running, which is fine, because that's going to get dig up. And the hops has died back, because it's getting cold now. But hops is quite straggly and scratchy. Very good for depression though. That's dying back. Scanning herbs. Horseradish. This is my horseradish bed, because I'm propagating that. There's little roots that are growing and growing for me in there. I don't think there's any herbs in here. We have a big rue here, which is a good herb. Parsley's in there. That's all kale and the brassicas in that bed. Asparagus. Now this is the herb bed. I'm going to do this with light. Okay, we've got comfrey with oregano in it. Not much else in there. There's the lavender. This is seeding opal basil and Thai basil. But in here we have white sage. We have St. John's wort, though I believe it's not the perforatum. We've got wild lettuce, we've got perilla, we have some little mulleins, sage, yarrow. This was my mother bed, remember, the one that I'm putting things in to propagate. There's things that probably need to come out. Heartsease, echinacea, skullcaps are all dying back now. That's another, the peas have taken over there. But anyway, have a gander at what's happened here, because this is up now. The bar was up, I think at the beginning of the month, wasn't it? Anyway, it just took a day really to do that bit. Not by myself, of course. And that's the caravan that I'm packing up. Got a bed in there now and moving up there. As soon as there's gravel on that road, could be Thursday now. It was meant to be last Wednesday I was moving up there, but rain, rain, rain. Over here is a new addition to the family called Hercules. It was a long drive and he sat down, which was really good. Pepper! Come here! Come here now, Pepper! Sorry, I'm just going to get the dog in. She's over there. Back again, they all think I'm going to feed them. I'm not feeding you now. Look at little Hercules. He's settled in really good. I'm just doing a herb, Spider, I'm just doing a herb thing. She was in my garden. Smacked her on the bum. I don't think I need to feed you at all, really, because to be honest, you went in the garden. Let's just feed Hercules, hey? Yep, favouritism. So look at these passion fruits just going off. You can go up this way. Look at them. Anyway, it's not herbs. I suppose you're only in awe if you've really seen them, so you've had to have watched other episodes. So these ones are growing too. Just growing. And that male hops, kiwi's doing good. So these are all being planted down the slope. Once I fence it off, there's no point planting it. These are my other bird bee native ones here, waiting to go in. And we were on the hunt of herbs. Okay, what have we got? We've got chamomile, which is the nobilis, I think. No, not the Urticaria. Anyway, we have the St. John's wort cuttings, the oregano, the rue. So this is my excess. There's ribwort there, feverfew starting, catnips, copper. Yeah, they look a bit sad. It's a bit cold. A lot of some of them are dying back, like the skullcaps. He's sussing out the chickens. I don't know if he's seen a chicken. He's like, what is it? What's going on? They want me to feed them, but I'm not going to because look how fat you are. And you got into my garden and you wouldn't get out. No. Okay today. Hey Hercules, you alright? Yeah, it's a chicken. It's a chicken, Hercules. Same colour as you. You got friends your colour. Don't look at me like that. You wouldn't get out my garden. Look at little snowflake. She's so cute. Hey, snowflake. She's got eyes like blue eyes. Mum's giving me evils. No. Hi. They're just finishing the road. I think that's the last truck. It's been going since 7. I've been sorting things out. So I should be able to drive the caravan up there. Everything's a mess. I'm packing the caravan. And I have to do a meeting with the fire brigade. I've made the bed. Put some stuff in here. I've got stuff in the back of the car. So, yeah, the wheel's a bit dodgy, but that's okay. Yeah, I should be able to drive it up there. Maybe tonight. Which will be good, because then I might be able to focus, because it's a mess everywhere. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Well, I slept up the block last night in the caravan. I managed to get it up there. They haven't finished the track. I'll take you for a drive up there. But I got through. And just about to rearrange the caravan and put the awning up. But this morning I've been digging up sweet potatoes. So that's one variety. That's two varieties. 3 varieties. 4 varieties. 5 varieties. How good is that? So I'm going to shoot some. I've got one more variety to pick. Yeah, so I'm just going to see if they shoot. Right. So these were all the ones that were down there. There, and there, and there, and one was there. So I've just got that big patch to go. So yeah, how cool is that? Enough to eat and to put in the garden.